Imagine a country brimming with untapped potential, its landscapes dotted with construction sites, and its horizons stretching towards a future filled with prosperity. Welcome to Guinea Conakry in 2025, where mega infrastructure projects are reshaping the nation, one brick, one road, and one railway at a time. If you think Guinea is just another West African country quietly going about its business, think again. This is a nation on the move, with billions of dollars pouring into game-changing developments that could propel it into a new era of economic dominance. From record-breaking railway projects to powerful hydroelectric dams and state-of-the-art ports, Guinea is laying the foundation for a bigger, better, and brighter future. These projects will boost trade, create jobs, modernize infrastructure, and improve everyday life for millions of Guineans. So, buckle up because in this video, we're diving deep into the top mega projects that are reshaping Guinea Conakry in 2025. From railways to power plants and highways to ports, we've got it all covered. Let's go. 5. Trans-Guinean Railway. Guinea has long been rich in minerals, but getting them to market has always been a challenge. That's where the Trans-Guinean Railway comes in. This massive rail project is set to transform the country's economy by linking Guinea's rich mining regions to the coast. The project will cover a length of 650 kilometers, or about 404 miles, and its route will run from the Samanda mines to the port of Moribayah. Notably, its primary use will be to transport iron ore and general cargo. It will be built at an estimated cost of about $15 billion, with the funding coming from a joint investment by mining companies, international investors, and the Guinean government. Besides, the main contractors will be a mix of Chinese, European, and Guinean firms who are expected to complete the project by 2028. Once completed, this railway will boost mining output, increase exports, and drive economic growth by increasing GDP by over 5% once fully operational, creating 50,000 jobs during construction and 10,000 permanent jobs, doubling Guinea's annual iron ore exports. 4. Moribayah Deepwater Port. You can't export minerals without a world-class port, and that's where the Moribayah Deepwater Port comes in. This brand new port will be one of the largest in West Africa, designed to handle massive cargo shipments, including iron ore, bauxite, and general goods. Located in Moribayah, southern Guinea, the port will have a capacity of over 100 million tons of cargo per year. The construction cost will sum up to around $3.5 billion, and the funding will be sourced from private and public sector investments, including Chinese and Middle Eastern partners. Besides, the leading contractors will be a Chinese-European consortium with the completion date expected by 2026. Once completed, the new deepwater port will make exports cheaper, faster, and more efficient, boosting trade and making Guinea a regional trade hub. Also, it could increase Guinea's export revenue by 30%, generate over 15,000 direct jobs, handle ships over 300 meters long, and reduce shipping costs by cutting reliance on neighboring ports. 3. Koukoutamba Hydroelectric Project. Located in the Fouta Djallon region, this dam is set to become the largest hydroelectric plant in the country. The project will include a massive 294-megawatt hydropower plant, a 91-meter-high dam spanning the Bafang River, a reservoir capacity of 4.7 billion cubic meters, and 4 turbines to generate over 1,100 GWh of electricity per year. Notably, the project cost approximately $812 million, which will be funded by China Exim Bank. Also, it will be constructed by China International Water and Electric Corporation, CWE, and its target completion date is by 2027. Moreover, Guinea currently has one of the lowest electrification rates in West Africa. Only 35% of its population has access to electricity. Therefore, once completed, Koukoutamba will boost the national grid and increase power supply by 50%, leading to exports of surplus power to Mali, Senegal, and Guinea-Bissau under the OMVG, Gambia River Basin Organization, energy framework, reduce dependence on costly fossil fuel imports, and create thousands of direct and indirect jobs during and after construction. 2. Guinea-Sierra Leone Cross-Border Road. The Guinea-Sierra Leone Cross-Border Road is unlocking trade and travel between the two nations. Notably, the project will consist of a 70-kilometer modern highway linking Guinea's Moribayah region to Sierra Leone's Gbessia district, a 2-lane asphalt road with drainage, bridges, and border posts. Notably, it will be funded by the African Development Bank, AFDB, and ECOWAS at a total budget of approximately $96 million. Also, the leading contractor is Sogiasadam, a subsidiary of Vinci Construction, and the expected completion date is around 2026. Furthermore, Guinea and Sierra Leone trade over $200 million in goods yearly, but bad roads slow down transport. Therefore, once completed, the road will cut travel time from 5 hours to just 90 minutes, reduce vehicle operating costs by 30%, and be a major boost for Guinea's exports and imports. 1. Gbessia International Airport Expansion. Gbessia handles 90% of Guinea's air traffic, but it's also outdated. Passenger numbers grew by 25% in the last 5 years, straining facilities, but airlines like Air France, Ethiopian Airlines, and Royal Air Maroc demand better infrastructure. That is why Guinea's Gbessia International Airport expansion is set to make flying in and out of Conakry a world-class experience. Notably, the project will include a new passenger terminal handling 1.5 million passengers per year, modernization of the cargo hub to boost trade, extended runways to accommodate larger aircraft, and upgraded security, baggage handling, and check-in systems. Furthermore, it will be funded by Turkish and Emirati investors under a $200 million deal and will be built by Suma Construction, Turkey, with the completion date being by the end of 2025. Once completed, this expansion will triple airport capacity, reduce congestion, boost tourism and Guinea's global connectivity, and support air cargo exports, especially for Guinea's mining sector. Besides, the expanded terminal will have state-of-the-art duty-free shops, lounges, and tech-driven check-in areas. Accordingly, with this upgrade, Guinea aims to be a regional aviation hub in West Africa. And there you have it. Big things are happening in Guinea Conakry. With power, transport, and air travel getting a major upgrade, the country is set for massive growth. These projects will improve lives, create jobs, and put Guinea on the path to becoming a regional powerhouse. What do you think about these mega projects? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Africa's transformation.